Hi Libra, this is your next 7 days reading. I'm going to look at your energies, what's coming to you in this time period for the sun sign, moon sign, rising sign of Libra. So, in your environment, what I am seeing is the Two of Cups and the Page of Pentacles. So, Two of Cups means that there is a renewal, there is a new beginning coming to you, there could be a soulmate relationship developing for you, and with the Page of Pentacles, this is some important news message or some kind of talking happening regarding a situation that looks very promising and practical. So this could be around your professional or personal life, anywhere you are interested in the aspect that you are interested in, and whatever is on your mind, the answer is yes. There will be a new talking happening, there will be a renewal of a situation, there can be a new beginning coming to you. The talks will start happening in this period, a news will come to you. So what's happening this week from the 16th to the 23rd of April? What is happening to you, Libra? So there is a Tower and the Seven of Cups. So Tower is something which is happening or has happened, and it is a sudden change in your life. This could be a change in your living situation. This could be a departure of a partner. This could be an ending with someone. This could be an ending of a job. But very soon there are options opening up for you. So this sudden change, this upheaval is going to give you, various options in front of you, and this is going to open up or give you a breakthrough of some kind in your topsy-turvy life. So there is a situation that is causing great upheaval and a big change, or a ending of previous structures, and a new change is coming in very soon. So you have to go through this period with the Four of Swords. So at least 4 days out of this week you have to think, you have to withdraw from doing too much energy, and you have to take a break and rest it out, so that time will make a difference for you, Libra. So what was a good situation for you, what was stable for you, has changed, but it is bringing with itself a big chance for you with the Wheel of Fortune and the Emperor. So the Wheel of Fortune came first and then the Emperor. So this tells us that the Wheel of Fortune is always determined by the next card. So what is the next card? The next card is of success, the next card is of structure, the next card is of taking control. So what is happening is a boss coming helping you. It could be a father figure coming helping you. It could be success coming to you because of your work. It could be the energy of priority and structuring happens in a situation that is changing very fast for you, and it is bringing lucky chances. So you will be in great energies of the Emperor to put things on priority, and you are going to succeed. So the Emperor succeeds the best. So it is the card of success, it is the card of reaching a neutral position where you are achieving one by one. So you are going to achieve in this time period, Libra. There is a possibility that big chances are coming to you. You will take some time out to assess your situation, assess with the Seven of Pentacles. You have been working in a situation for a long time, but because of the death, there is a moon situation. So the death is an ending which has happened. Maybe you did not have a hand in that, and the moon that is happening is the uncertainty that is surrounding this ending. So there is uncertainty surrounding an ending in your life, total ending of some sort. which has given you a rethink or an evaluation of whatever you have accumulated from the past. So the Seven of Pentacles is an evaluation energy of past accumulation of experience, of money, of job, of experience of working in an environment most probably, or living in a situation for a long time. So with the Magician, there is going to be harnessing of this change. So the chances that are coming to you, Libra, you are going to see a fructification of your dreams. So you have been manifesting maybe this change is coming in as a positive, because the Emperor is lying after the Wheel of Fortune and after the Tower and everything, all discussion, and the Death and the Moon, there is the Magician. So the Magician is coming here with the Death and the Moon. So basically you are coming out of dangerous, painful situations of uncertainty and situation of fear. You are going to manifest a new situation for yourself, which is going to fructify. This is a job most probably, because in your job situation I am seeing the Seven of Cups once again. You are spoiled for choices. There are various choices. Out of that, there is a proposal that looks the best. It is quite convertible. You can convert this energy of the Ace of Pentacles. It is a practical energy coming to you. With the Ace of Swords, you are going to have a victory in a chaotic situation, conquering of a situation with an enlightenment. So the path will be seen, the path will clear, the clarity will come to you in this confusing Seven of Cups, that is many options. The Ace of Pentacles will look solid to you. With patience, with the power of negotiation, with the power of flexibility, that is the Temperance, you are going to achieve a new situation for yourself. You are reeling under a disaster or a karmic ending in your life. With the Eight of Swords, you are fearful, you are self-doubting yourself, but very soon you are going to reach a situation where you will be healing and you will be getting good energies in your career, money, job, finance. So there is going to be an offer coming to you. In terms of love, angels are asking you to concentrate on partnership. So partnership is about allow healthful, supportive partnerships into your personal life and career, and both parties will benefit as a result. So personally, you have to collaborate. You are receiving help from heaven, from a person who brings needed skills and resources. So this person could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, clarified by Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. In your devastation, in your ruin, in your situations of karmic ending, there is going to be a wish fulfillment with a person who loves you a lot. So this person will partner with you to give you your wish fulfillment with the Nine of Cups in this week. In terms of health, you were stuck in a situation of health. You could be stuck or under some illusion. You wanted to make a change, but the change was not happening. With the Queen of Swords approach of a Libra, you are going to have a long-term view. You are going to be more disciplined in this time period, and you are going to switch from a inert or inactive person in terms of your health. You are going to become more enthusiastic in terms of your health with the Knight of Wands. You are going to commit to short-term diet, short-term treatment, short-term change of environment to have a breakthrough in your health situation. That is what I am seeing, and your outcome in this time period is you are moving on from the disaster that has happened around you. So the chaos, disaster, the upheaval with the Tower that has caused some upheavals in your life. With the Six of Swords, you are moving on. Another deck is showing Six of Swords and the Four of Wands. So this is your outcome. You are going to move on, though it will be difficult from the difficult period or a traumatic situation. You are moving on, and you are moving towards what? You are moving towards balance with the Four of Wands. You are moving towards reward. You are moving towards achievements in this time period. So you will be moving towards good life, achievement, happiness, and rich rewards after a tower moment that will affect you, Libra. So this could be from the angels of abundance and employment change for some of you. So this is about your career. It is leading you in a higher direction with positive changes to support your dreams, priorities, passions, and life purpose. Trust that these changes will help you release the old and welcome the new. You are being supported each step of the way. So this is your reading, Libra. I think this is a good reading. You will have to weather a difficult time to move to a direction which will offer you more chances. This is going to happen this week, and I hope it brings you new changes. It is difficult to cross over from a and it is a transformative period. It is difficult to cross over from an ending, but it gives you a lot of fear, but it will happen for the better. So Libra, if you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through worries, difficulties and some stuck situations can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. So my email ID is there in the description box. You can contact me through that and write to me for a personal reading. I will reply to you. I take time to reply, but I do reply and send the procedure. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.